Forget Twitter, forget Instagram, forget Facebook. LinkedIn is where the money is. Hi there, I am Rachel Smets, and making money online and escaping the 9 to 5 is what I make videos about every single week. Now, LinkedIn is the biggest business social network in the world. And if you want to be successful, if you want to be seen on LinkedIn, you need a strong LinkedIn profile. So here are 3 key elements to get this strong LinkedIn profile. The first one is your LinkedIn picture profile. Now, your picture is your first impression. Picture says more than 1,000 words. Have you heard that before? And it's actually true. It's your first impression. When somebody lands on your LinkedIn profile, what do they see? What is your picture saying about you? I found this free website that analyzes your picture based on 3 categories. I'll show you that in 1 minute. First of all, let's take a look at what is a good picture. And maybe let's start with showing you some examples of what is not a good profile picture. So what is not, and I found these examples actually right now on LinkedIn. What not to do is something very dark with no light, so you can't even see who you are. Or something very vague like this one, it's not professional. Or something far away in the background, zoomed out, holiday type of picture, sunglasses. This guy has all 3 of these elements that you don't want to copy. Or this one, holding beer or any type of alcohol. And also no picture at all. I'm sure you've seen those before. You want to make sure that you show that you're an actual human being. So what is a good picture? A good picture is looking with your eyes straight in the camera, have some good lighting, have a neutral background, not too busy, no alcohol, no sunglasses, and a little bit of a smile. So you have this friendly aspect. Now, the website I was mentioning is called photofeeler.com, and photofeeler.com analyzes your picture based on 3 elements: influential, competence, and likability. And I did it actually for my own picture. So all you do is you go to photofeeler.com, upload your LinkedIn profile picture. And in my case, I have an average score of 70. I'm quite happy with that. So I'm not going to change my profile picture. And what you can do is play around with it, add a few different pictures, and then see what you prefer and see what scores that are most important to you. When it comes to your profile picture, there's also the banner on LinkedIn, which is also right away the first thing you see when you land on your profile. So you want to make that something clear, specific, maybe about your company, about what you do, about yourself, or something very neutral. So I'll show you some example. This is a company I don't even know, but I love that banner. It says so much. Or, for example, Marie Forleo. I've done her programs, I like her a lot, and her banner is really showing what she does, who she is, and it's very professional. Here's mine, for example. I say what I do, escaping the 9 to 5, and it's a neutral background, and I hope it's specific and clear enough. So the next step, or the next key factor, number 2, is your headline. Your headline are those 220 characters that follow your name. If you don't do anything, then LinkedIn by default will take your job title, which could be very boring. To create a strong headline, the formula is your title plus keywords plus trigger element. And I'll explain each of these and I'll give you examples for all of it. So your title is, who are you? What do you do? I help X doing Y. The keywords are keywords that people are looking for. So a lot of people are looking for marketing or SEO or blogging. And if that's your expertise, then put that in your headline, because you will be found so much quicker and easier for people searching for specific keywords. The third element is the trigger element, and that is the personal touch. It's that little piece of curiosity, intrigue to make people actually want to read more about you and get to know more about yourself. I found this one here. It says, helping smart managers keep their employees productive and engaged. So I like the word smart managers. This is addressing exactly who she's working with. And I like the word smart, and then productive and engaged. It's really specific. It's clear. It's not too long. It's nice. It's pleasant. Then this one here, a recruiter working for Walt Disney, and it says, imagine the possibilities, ... I like that magical kind of sense, taking you back to your childhood. There's one more thing I want to mention about those 220 characters, and I'll show you what I mean, because Yes, you have 220 characters. However, when you're commenting on somebody's post or you're commenting on a comment or replying, then you only see a part of that. This is what people see. So it's not my entire headline. It's a shorter version. So you want to make sure that you put your most important words in that first part. Key factor number 3 is a strong about section. That about section is where you can dive into more details, saying more about yourself. What solutions are you offering? Who are you working with? You can add links. You can add emojis. You can make it pleasant to read. Don't put a whole bulk of text in there, but hit enter sometimes, have some paragraphs, have some space in between, add some emojis, not too much. Keep it professional, but keep it pleasant, specific to read. And then the featured section. The feature section is so beautiful when you use it because that's where you can add links, articles, your blog, your website, in my case, YouTube videos, my TEDx talks. You can add and showcase your work. Why don't you share your LinkedIn profile link right in the comments below? I'd be very curious to take a look. And also, we can all support each other, engage with each other, and grow together on LinkedIn. Now, having a strong profile is amazing, but there are some techniques to grow your business, to get more clients organically and free, simple and easy. I like simple and easy. So if you want to know how to get more clients through messaging, through your post, then please go and watch this next video. I'll see you there.